It seems like the last couple of years have been the best time to be a sneakerhead, to buy shoes, add to the collection, not breaking the bank. And I'm explaining all of that in today's video, man. So let's get right into it. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into another video, man. And this video is perfect. It's just perfect timing. And I just feel like, with the, next couple of releases that we do have from Jordan Brand, from Nike, it is perfect timing for you to start buying these sneakers, man, and add them to your collection if you want to get something like this, bro. I ain't got the best collection out there, but your boy's been spending a lot of money on sneakers over the last couple of years. And I do feel like if the market was how it is currently, that I would have a lot more shoes in the collection, man. So if you guys are new here to the channel, right now what I need you to do is hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please give a huge thumbs up on today's video, man. Them likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, man. And go ahead and comment down below, just some fire emojis. Let me know what your latest sneaker pickup is. Let me know something down below in the comment section, man. You guys know I respond and read every single comment on the videos. All right, guys, so this brings me to the point, bro. Point in case to the video. Let's get to the topic. We're talking about how the sneaker market is doing and how this is the best time to be a sneakerhead. I know a lot of questions probably rise up when you read the title and we see the intro of the video, but it all falls down to the current sneaker market. You guys go check over on StockX. You guys can go check over on GOAT. A lot of these releases that we have been getting over the last couple of years are going for retail or right above retail. And that's something that we are not used to seeing back in 2017, 2018, 2020. There's a couple of them years where the market was at an all-time high and it was almost impossible to get certain sneakers without breaking the bank. And that takes me back to the year of the pandemic, the year of the shutdown, where it seemed like every single Jordan 1 that did release was super impossible to get. And the shoe that I like to always remember, in the back of my head, is the satin black toe release, the women's exclusive that happened back in 2020. And it seemed like when that sneaker dropped right there, the market was just at an all-time high because they were going for almost $1,000. I literally, cooked up a couple pairs, put on this resale bag, got a couple of them joints to start selling them, and I sold two pair, one out of my personal collection and one that I did pick up from Shoe Palace, and I resold them. Your boy resold them joints because the market was just so high. People were trying to buy sneakers. He was flushing all his money into the market, which I don't know how that was happening due to the pandemic and everything that was going on. Maybe it was the stimulus checks, maybe it was the PPPs, man. I don't know what it was, but I sold the satin black toes back in the day for almost $1,000, and I sold my personal pair for like $700. If you check the resale value of them things now, bro, I'm gonna put a screenshot right over here of them things. They're literally only going for $300, bro. Yes, $300 from back in 2020 when they first released to now in 2024, where you can literally see a lot of these Jordan releases, these Nike releases, whatever release you want to talk about. The resale value is an all-time low. And you have Nike themselves dropping sneakers and putting them on sale a couple of weeks after the drop. And that takes me to the Royal Reimagined Air Jordan 1. So we got this release. It wasn't a bad drop at all. Of course, first people saying they don't like the material, why they didn't keep them the OG way, why they didn't make it into like a lost and found Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined. But they want, well, this all over nubuck suede on the material, and people, quote unquote, wasn't liking them. Of course, these things are gonna be eventually going from Nike outlets, from stores and stuff like that. But Nike themselves dropped this down to $130 during their Cyber Monday sale. They try to, get as many pairs as they can off of these Royal Reimagines, and it seems like a lot of pairs didn't even move after that. And this is another shoe that you can look up currently, the resale value, how low it's going. You can kind of tell the likeness and the wantness and the heightenedness of the shoe. And these right here currently, they ain't it, man. But that's not the only sneaker that I'm talking about. It's multiple releases. Even checking out a couple pairs over here. Let's just pick up one. Let's just pick up one of these things. Let's go ahead and pick up the Air Jordan 1 Palominos. Do you guys remember the Mocha Air Jordan 1 drop? Do y'all remember that, bro? Do y'all remember when them things dropped, man, a couple of years back? This was also during the pandemic, and it was nearly impossible to get a pair of sneakers from Foot Locker, from Champs, anywhere you was trying to get, man. People, it was just hard to get, man. And then you fast forward all the way to 2023 when we got the Palomino Air Jordan 1s, and they're not going nearly as high as the mocha drop that happened a couple of years ago. And that, like I said, I think that all has to do with the current sneaker market. You know what I'm saying? I don't think it's people that don't like the shoe, because to me and to a lot of people, this was the best Air Jordan 1 of the year 2023. It's just the fact that the market is at an all-time low, so you don't have to spend that money on these pairs to release date. You wait a couple days, and if you do take an L, you probably only be spending about, you know what I'm saying, no more than $100 on some of these general release, you know what I'm saying, Jordan releases, and add them joints to your sneaker collection. That brings me to the last point of this video, and that is you do not have to pay for these Jordan releases on release day. And I'm gonna grab another shoe. I'm gonna walk off frame real quick because I feel like this is a shoe that needs to be talked about. This is definitely a shoe that needs to be talked about because we are getting this release tomorrow, January the 13th, Air Jordan 1 yellow ochre. And these right here, man, super nice. They're not a bad sneaker at all, but due to the fact that the current sneaker market is low, nobody's buying stuff on the aftermarket, or wherever you want to, you know, what do you want to call it, you know what I'm saying, depending on if resellers going crazy, the bots going crazy. It really does not matter, because you can go check on StockX, check on GOAT for all these upcoming releases. You can get these joints early for right around retail, which is super unheard of back in the day. But this is going to be another shoe that's going to drop from Nike, from Jordan, that they're going to definitely be sitting for a long time to come. They might be putting these in their Nike outlets. They might even turn around and put these things on sale on Martin Luther King Day. It just all depends on how they want to flip it, how they want to turn it. But they want to get these pairs out. They want to, you know what I'm saying, make that money. And you guys are going to see a sale pretty soon on Jordans like this. So I always say, if you don't need it, if you're in a content creator, if you don't just desperately need a sneaker, it's best for you not to purchase them on release day. You save a lot of money on a long run if you wait on some of these releases from Jordan Brand. I know I showed you guys 3 Air Jordan 1s in this video today, but that goes for a lot of the Jordans you guys see behind me. A lot of these things I did not have to purchase on release date. You guys know, just being a senior content creator, you gotta get the shoes early. You gotta have them on release date. You gotta see, you know, show the people how they're hitting for. So I don't want y'all to get, you know, misguided about me just showing Jordan 1s. It's about a lot of these Jordan silhouettes that has been coming out lately. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping into today's video. Make sure you leave a huge like on today's video before you slide out. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boy if you don't mind. Again, I appreciate all the support. Thanks for tapping in. I hope y'all, you know what I'm saying, heard what your boy is trying to put out. And I cannot wait to read you guys' comments. Let me catch you in the next video, man. Peace.